Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH!
Today we are going to be cooking for you something wonderful. It's a figgy cheese pastry and it's going to be perfect for Christmas.
We're doing loads of Christmas recipes because it's never too early to start planning for Christmas. Let's get cracking. First up, we're going to throw all of our cheese or dairy-free cheese ingredients into our NutriBullet. Other blenders are available.
This will blend into a fantastically smooth consistency, but sometimes you might have to shake the jug of the blender.
This is a banging cashew cheese. You probably will have a little bit left over and you can use it on cheese toasties, as a dip, or even in a pasta sauce.
Now it's time to score our dairy-free puff pastry. We're going to score an edge around the pastry in order to get that nice puffy edge that we need for these tartlets.
Good scoring, mate. That is a work of art. It's almost like you've done it before.
We have, haven't we?
Yep, the mini pizza tarts in BOSH Cookbook #1.
Link below, guys.
Oh yeah, and we made a video about it, didn't we? Check it out. Anyway, back to the recipe. Get a generous dollop of cream cheese right in the middle of the tartlet and spread it all the way to the edges.
Now it's time to place down my favourite fruit, fig. We're going to place down quarters so they look just like butterfly wings. Beautiful.
I'm not convinced that figs are beautiful. They look a bit like the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. Rawr! They're kind of nasty looking, but let us know what you think. Do you think figs are tasty, or do they look like the Demogorgon? Now we're going to drizzle over a little bit of olive oil as a glaze, and then pop it in the oven for 15 minutes.
So our tarts have been in the oven for 15 minutes and lots of puffiness has appeared, but they're going to be a lot more tasty with this little bit of thyme, some balsamic vinegar, and the last but not least, crushed walnuts.
And then give it 10 more minutes to fully infuse.
Fantastic news, these bad boys are out the oven now, which means we can try them.
Look at that. The figgy, cheesy tarts. Deliciously easy, perfect for a party. So how's it taste?
Oh, it's really, really nice. It's rich cheesiness, it's sweetness from the fig, bitterness from the balsamic vinegar. It's perfect for Christmas. Mate, they are so tasty.
Yeah? You loving it?
Genuinely lovely.
Good work. So if you like that, let us know in the comments, and of course, hit subscribe because we make new videos almost every day.
Bish.
Bash!
BOSH!